Welcome to week 12, everyone. This is about HIPAA and confidentiality. I think most of you know what HIPAA is. Just as a word of reference, it's not HIPPA, it's HIPAA, so don't make that mistake that a lot of people make. However, it's really interesting. I think the lecture this week is really interesting. It's full 15 minutes, and then your material is going to be great. I think a lot of you have heard of this, especially when dealing with anything related to clinical or healthcare delivery. Make sure you do your review questions, and if you need anything, of course, reach out. But so far, people are doing really well, and I appreciate all their hard work. I'm here to help you in any way I can, and I look forward to continuing to work with you throughout the semester. We don't have a lot of time left, only a few weeks, but I appreciate your diligence and hard work. We have exam 2 coming up next week, and I will issue a study guide for that, which will be helpful for you to make sure you're ready to go. But if you need anything, reach out. Expect that study guide probably midway through the week, and I'll look forward to seeing how you all do. Thanks so much.